Guys, today I'm going to show you how you can perform reverse Google image search on iPad Pro M4. So in the first step, open the web browser and go to the google.com. Now remember to switch your web browser to the desktop side. Click on the camera icon and choose Upload a file. Select source of your photo. Select it and click on the Done. Now we are looking for similar or the same objects in the Google Picture database. You can also change the searching area by swiping the edges of the square to look for something more specific. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.